There we go, doing the damn thing, drawing the logo. Once again, my beautiful friend. We'll see how many times it takes me. Once, twice, 3 times later. Once again, this is your captain speaking, and we're cruising at an altitude of high as a motherfucking pigeon's ass in the Bird City downtown central zone area, straight up, and it seems as though this one's coming out very nice. I must, if I do say so, it is not at all stiff. Stiff? Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay. So, yeah. Peace in the Middle East. Or wait. It's the new year. Happy, merry, motherfucking new year. Here's the fucked up thing you guys didn't know. What you don't know is what you don't know is that it's not even a new year. You know what I'm saying? Check this out, man. Think about it. If nothing else, why would the new year start right in the middle of winter? When it's like, alright, it just got cold. The new year started. I'm just saying, like, the Son of God. You know what I'm saying? Like, the Son of God is at its most, during the, there's certain peak months. And here's the biggest thing, man. If you look at the numbers of the months, right? Like, for instance, October. Well, I think it's not even very crazy information to point out that octo, it means 8. Like octopus or octagon. Yet October is the 10th month. Isn't it? Am I tripping? Or am I reading it? It says one thing and it's not. Alright. Anyway. Anywho, we out here, man, working on this logo right here. Getting it right for the new year, the approaching new year. Because we're not in the new year yet. Newsflash. For those of you who thought we were, we're not. Yeah. My shit's going good though. You know what I'm saying? We staying on the up and up. At this time, I've been on the down and out before, and as much fun as that is, I'd recommend getting on this train instead. And I'm just blocking it with my hand the whole time, huh? Look at that. It's coming out cool, right? It's like blocking it with my fucking hand the whole time. What a douche. What a dick. What a dick move. Don't worry, I'll make it up to you guys. I swear. I swear. Like Arnold. I swear. I'll make it the fuck up to you. I can't tell you how though. That is not for you to know, man. Skinny man, Sharpie man, teen. Boy. You know, fuck around and how about your hair, boy? You know I will. Hey yo, shout out to all my people from the era of Wanksta and Get Rich or Die Trying. You know what I'm saying? Cause when that shit came out, music was still a certain way, and there was this song on the soundtrack to Get Rich or Die Trying where they're like, "Oh, bust your head, boy. You know the wheel, oh, bust your head, boy, with the back of the steel." It's like a super hardcore fucking track. It's like, man, do motherfuckers make shit like that anymore? Well, they do. I'm just saying, like, motherfuckers that sell 1 million, whatever. The motherfuckers that make 1 million sell like that no more. Peep game, man. Look at the. Okay. Oh, what's your hair, boy? No, what's your hair, boy? At the back of the steel. It's pretty awesome doing this on white paper just because the contrast is so fucking the contrast is so significant that it looks so nice. It's easy to do these little cool little details that I'm adding as I go, making it, sculpting it or whatever, and leaving certain parts open, you see. So it's like, only because it's me splashing black on the white, you know what I'm saying, canvas, that I'm able to do that and use the background to make these elements pop out like that. Like, that's something that you get as you just keep working on your skills and honing your sketching ability, because that's improvised, you know, like in the moment. Like, I'm using the material to do part of the coloring for me, if you will. Okay, here we go. Now, there's a little bit left here. I gotta do this, like, and then like that. That's it, pretty much. And then this is gonna come right here. I saw E40, man, on a short earlier today. Dude was doing a wild ass dance. Like, I could see myself getting down like that too. Like, he was doing a wild ass dance on his he was just rapping with Too Short, and it was like, yo, that fool dresses like he's I swear, like 20, or some shit. So do I. Shit, what can I say? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. It's just like a hip hop thing, I guess. I'm not fucking this up right now. Can't even close. Because that shit gotta be crisp, and I'm just trusting spirit to guide me, basically, because I have no idea whether I'm gonna at any moment just like get carried away. You know? Get carried away and just be like doing too much. Okay, so looks like today won't be one of those days. I don't know, something told me just to do that. For some reason I did that. And today will be a day of success, and as you can see, bam, how about that? I'm gonna add a little something right here to level it out. Alright, so this is gonna be it. Yeah. There. Alright, so how does that look, you guys? Does it look pretty cool? Is it proportionate? That's the thing. That's why I keep adding, because I'm trying to get it proportionate. And I think I'm gonna go do some push-ups right now. So regardless, this video needs to end. And I hope I didn't fuck it up. Yep, maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. I gotta add to the bottom now, just to. Sorry, got extremely quiet there for a second. So I'm trying to wrap this up, and I'm like, how is this? Is this gonna work? Trying to be like Just not fucking up. There we go. This'll work. This'll work. Ooh, how about that? Yeah. That looks like perfect right there, huh? There it is, you guys. There it is. Muchas gracias. StereoPHiX 888. Like and subscribe for the journey. Something you could do. You don't gotta be able to do all this to draw, to focus your mind and cope, and add some new habits to your daily routine. Peace, yo.